Good morning. It's 6 a.m. in the morning. It's almost completely like dark. I've never got up so early before in Tokyo so far. I'm getting up pretty early today because I'm going to catch a flight. So I arrived in Okinawa a couple hours ago, and I was so sleepy because I woke up at 5 this morning. I had a cup of coffee and took a short break. So I feel like this place is quite touristy. It's not a high season yet, but there are a lot of travelers already. I feel like February is not the best season to come here because of the temperature here. So I'm gonna spend 7 days or 8 days here in Okinawa, and then go back to China for the Chinese New Year. I don't really have a plan for this trip yet because I don't even know where I'm going to stay tomorrow. I haven't booked my accommodation for tomorrow yet, so I need to figure out tonight. And today, I think I'm walking to the beach. There's nothing you can do on the beach at this time because it's super cold. Today is my third day in Okinawa. I'm actually not in the capital city of Okinawa, Naha. I just came to this small village. It's called Ana. The reason I'm here is because there's a very famous sightseeing spot called Mozemo, famous for its amazing ocean view. But I don't know if I can see anything today because it's quite cloudy, as you can see. And tonight I'm going to meet a friend whom I haven't met for a few years actually. Well, I met him only once back in 2014. So right now he's there's no traffic. So right now he's serving the American Army in the Air Force base in Kadena Air Base. He's gonna host me for a couple nights, and then I will go back to Naha for one more night, and probably get to some small islands for a couple nights just to get isolated from the city. And right now in February, it's not a peak season, so there are not so many tourists. You know, Okinawa is a small tropical island, so the climate is pretty good throughout the whole year. So right now in February, I think, although it's not the best time to visit this place, it's still like kind of relaxing just to stay here for a couple nights. I just got back to this village. It's called American Village. It's nearby the military base, and this is where my friend Alex is living nearby. This area, as you can see, is super laid back. It has a bunch of American restaurants, like KFC. Because I didn't make a plan for today and I got up at 11:30 because the bed in Alex's house was really comfortable. I had a really cozy sleep last night. I was actually trying to go to Okinawa City earlier today, but the local bus system was really confusing and it just doesn't work. You can't get anything from Google Maps or other kinds of transportation apps. So I took a local bus to somewhere like 2 stops away from where I was, and I just got here. This place is amazing. There happens to be a very nice beach resort. It's apparently not a touristy place, because I'm pretty much the only person here. So tomorrow, because Alex is not working, and I guess his girlfriend is not working either, we'll probably go out and take some very nice portrait photos because we're all very enthusiastic about photography. And after I got back to the capital city, Naha, I think I will take a ferry to an island somewhere next to Naha and stay there for a couple nights. I think I've mentioned this before in my previous videos. I really hate the fact that there's no public trash can on street anywhere in Japan, including this island. So I've been holding this empty bottle the whole time for like 20-30 minutes already. Trying not to be a shitty person, but there's not like a place that you can dump this. So I think I'm going to find a convenience store as soon as possible, so I don't have to bring this with me the whole time. This place actually reminds me a lot of my time in Lebanon last summer. It was a really beautiful country. It was kind of like Okinawa Island. They both have a nice beach and also a highway next to the beach. I remember when I was taking the local bus, I could always having a view like this right on the bus. It was a really beautiful country. I wish I can go there again sometime in the future.